Hi, this is Cheryl A. Major with ThinStrongHealthy.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy, delicious, and interesting salad. Now, I know a lot of us think of salads as boring. Iceberg lettuce, tomatoes that are mealy and not ripe and not juicy, kind of beige, and cucumbers that have big seeds and tough skins. And that's not what we're going to do today. We're going to make something that's really, really delicious. And you can mix it up. You can put your faves on there, include things that are healthy, but if there's something you want to put on that's just going to be a little spark and a pick-me-up, go for it, I say. So today I'm starting with power greens, and you can just throw them in as they are, but I tend to like to kind of just break them up roughly. Okay, so those are my power greens. There are beets in there, and kale, baby spinach. So some of that, and I like this white frisee stuff, so I'm gonna pick some of that out of there and just put it in. And I want one more little piece. Nah. Okay, good enough. So next I'm going to put in arugula. And believe it or not, arugula is a cruciferous vegetable. Cruciferous vegetables are vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, but honestly, arugula is also a cruciferous vegetable. And this is really good news because it's also very versatile. I put this on salads. Again, I like to break it up. I also use it in top pizza off with it, and I also use it in omelets. You can cook it or you can just use it as a topping. So there's our basis. So simple, easy. And then I like to add a bunch of different things. I like to add some sliced cucumber, and I like to add mushrooms. And you can use white mushrooms, you can use crimini, you can use baby bellas, whatever you like. I like to mix it up, and I just happen to have white mushrooms on hand. And carrots, I like color, so I've got some tri-colored carrots here, and our beta carotene and our vitamin C with baby tomatoes. Now you can slice these up, you can cut them, but I'm trying to keep this really fast and easy. Now, if you're saying, yeah, but a salad isn't going to fill me up, what am I going to do for bulk? Well, there are a couple of things you can do. I'll share a recipe for a wild rice mixture, and I will heat that up a little bit and put that on top. And I also happen to have some previously cooked. You can see there's just a little bit left in the bowl here. I had this in the fridge, and I often add this to a salad just for bulk. And it is brown rice and quinoa pasta from Trader Joe's, organic. And I'll cook a bunch of it up and just leave it in the fridge and add it to salads. Sometimes I'll just take a little handful. It's high in protein. It is complex carbohydrates, unlike regular pasta, so it's really, really good for you. Now here's something else that I like to do. I like to add fruit to a salad. I told you it wasn't going to be boring. I wasn't kidding. Fruit to a salad. I happen to have some nice green grapes here. So I slice these up, and then I put them on here, and in just a few minutes there we have our salad. So you might say, okay, Cheryl, but you had to slice all that up ahead of time. Yes, I did, but if you go into your produce section, you will find sliced vegetables. You can get zucchini and onions and mushrooms and all kinds of previously sliced veggies, and that will cut down your prep time too. So the salad is the main dish, so says one of my favorite gurus, Dr. Joel Fuhrman. And this will be something that I will have for the basis of a lot of my dinners. So what do you do if you want to add some protein? Well, you can do a number of different things. You can add some tinned fish, such as salmon. You can add tuna. Just with tuna, be careful that you don't eat too much of it, eat it too often because of the mercury content. I love tuna, so I have to watch myself on that. Full disclosure here. And also, you can dice a hard-boiled egg. You can add chicken. You can add steak if you want. So lots of options. So make this your own. Start with a basis of greens and then just add what you want, and you can mix it up, change it. And I will provide the that recipe for the wild rice mixture, and I change that up too. You know, sometimes I add some black rice. I mean, for me, a recipe is there for me to start with, and I change it. But this is a delicious salad. You can put anything on it that you want, and it is a really, really healthy dinner. You'll be amazed how long it sticks with you too. So there's your salad. I want to share with you how to make a delicious salad dressing in less than 60 seconds. Now, salad dressings tend to be very expensive, and if you read the ingredient label, these days most of them have sugar and preservatives and all that stuff. So we want to avoid that if we possibly can. So I'm going to put the salad aside for now, and I am going to tell you a little bit about how I do my salad dressing. Let me just get my ingredients out here. I use a Good Seasons bottle. This is a bottle from a package with, and you can see it looks kind of etched. It looks a little stained because I use balsamic and it does etch and color it. So what I suggest is that you go to the store, get Good Seasons with the bottle and the packet, throw away the packet before you throw it away, turn it over, and be sufficiently horrified by the ingredients in there that you do not want to put in your body. So we've got this, it's marked off, but I am going to tell you, I'm going to get my cheat sheet here because I do it all the time with the bottle and I don't have to know how much is in there, but 60 seconds or less, I am going to show you how to make a delicious, low-cost, healthy salad dressing. Okay, you can time me if you want. All right, we have a third of a cup of balsamic vinegar, and then 2 tablespoons of water. And again, these are all marked on the side. 2/3 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, organic if you can get it. And if you want to keep it really simple, there's your salad dressing. You just cap it and you're good to go. If you want something a little more interesting, what I do is I add a healthy teaspoon of minced garlic, and I also add a couple of teaspoons of mustard. I am a mustard lover. So I put mustard in there, and then I cap it. Make sure it's capped nice and tight, and you shake it up. And there you go. That's your 60-second healthy, delicious salad dressing. I'll include the recipe. I hope this has been helpful. Any questions, Cheryl@thinstronghealthy.com. I always love to hear from you. Email me, ask me anything. I hope this helps. Take care. Bye-bye.